Hello all. So today is the fourth and last session of our ongoing playlist series, which is on various purposes of valuation. In today's session, we are going to discuss two examples and one case study related to cost inflation index or cost index methods. Numerical or example, normally up to 1 or 2 marks may come out of this session. However, sometimes a case study of marks up to 12 may also come. So let's start. So this is the full syllabus. This part of syllabus we have already covered in session number 1 and 2 of the ongoing playlist. Capital gain methods we had covered in session number 3, and today we are going to cover examples and case studies on cost index method. So first example is a factory building was constructed in 1985 at the total cost of rupees 25.50 lakh. Work out replacement cost of the said property building in 2011 if building cost index in year 1985 and 2011 were 14.16 and 142 respectively, with base year of 1960 at 1. So as I always say, always try to write data given in the question whether it is relevant for solving the question or not. So in this question, base value of the asset in 1985 has been given in the question is equal to 25.50 lakh. Cost inflation index of 1985, which is also called CII for year 1985, has also been given in the question, and it is 14.16. Then cost inflation index for 2011 is also given in the question, is equal to 142, and CII for the base year, which was 1960, is given as 1. So we have to calculate replacement cost of the building in 2011. So replacement cost of building is equal to base value of the building in 1985 multiply by cost inflation index for current year, which is 2011, divided by cost inflation index 1985. So this formula, derivation we have already understood in multiple occasions in various sessions, previous sessions. So this is nothing but a repetition of the formula which we have already utilized in multiple sessions. So here, base value of building in 1985 has been given in the question is equal to 25.50 lakh. Cost index for 2011 and cost index for 1985 both have been given in the question are equal to 142 and 14.16 respectively. So putting all these data in this formula, we get the answer, which is 255.72 lakhs is the answer to this question, and normally 1 mark numerical may come out of it. This is another type of numerical which may come in a twisting way. A Boeing repair shop hangar area 10648 square meter was constructed at Mumbai in year 1999 at total cost of 68 crore. Find out its replacement cost in year 2011 if cost of construction of normal building was 8600 rupees per square meter in 1999 and rupees 18,300 per square meter in 2011. So here we have not been given any cost inflation index data. Instead we have been given building rates. So this is another type of another form of numerical which may come based on this cost index method. So again, data given in the question is hangar area, location of the hangar, year of construction, base cost of construction is given 68 crore, cost of construction normal building in 1999 is given as 8600 rupees per square meter, and cost of construction for normal building in 2011 has been given as 18,300 rupees per square meter. So we have to calculate replacement cost of the building of the hangar in 2011. So this is the formula, same formula we'll use. So but in this formula, instead of CII, we have been given cost of construction rate. So these are directly proportional. So replacement cost in 2011 is equal to base value of the building, which was in 1999, multiplied by CII are also equivalent to cost of construction rate 2011 and cost of construction divided by the cost of construction rate in 1999. So both all three figures have been given. If we put 68 crore here, 18,300 here, and the cost of construction 8600 rupees per square meter here, then we will get the answer, which is equal to 144.69 crore, and it is the replacement cost of the hangar in 2011. Again, 1 mark question can come out of it. So in addition to 1 over 2 marks of numerical or example, a case study of marks up to 12 may come out of this chapter. Let us try to understand what type of case studies can come with the help of one sample case study. A load-bearing residential family house was built in 1969 at Nagpur. Built-up floor area is 200 square meter on ground floor and 100 square meter per floor on each of the first and second floor. That means the building is G+2 and ground floor is 200 square meter built-up area. First floor and second floor each is 100 square meter built-up area. Now carpet area is also given, which is equal to 85% of built-up area. Total plot area has been given 1200 square meter. Calculate sale value of the property as in March 1989. If building cost index for Nagpur was 394 in 1989 with Delhi base year of 1976 as 100. So building cost for base year was rupees 385 per square meter, and plumbing and electrification cost were 6,000 rupees per unit and 5,700 rupees per unit respectively. So plumbing cost was 6,000 rupees per unit and electrification cost was 5,700 rupees per unit. Prevalent land rate in 1989 was rupees 800 per square meter. Land rate has been given. Building is wholly provided with marble floor. Marble cost was rupees 250 per square meter and mosaic tile cost was rupees 60 per square meter in 1989. And we have to calculate value of land as on 1989, replacement cost of the building, percentage depreciation by adopting SLM straight line method, assuming economic life 60 years and salvage of 10 years, 10%, depreciation value of the building and depreciated value of the building. So depreciation we have to calculate and depreciated value of the building we have to calculate, and total value of the property we have to calculate. So this is the data given in the question. Year of construction of the building has been given, which is equal to 1969. Built up area has been given. Ground floor is 200 square meter, first floor is 100 square meter and second floor is again 100 square meter. So total built up area of the building is 400 square meter. Then carpet area has been given as 85% of built up area, that is 0.85 multiplied by 400, then it will give us the 340 square meter is the area of the carpet area of the building. Land area is also given 1200 square meter. Age of the building 20 years has been given in the question. Life of the building has been given 60 years. Salvage 10% has been given. Land rate in year 1989 has been given rupees 800 per square meter. Plumbing rate has been given in 1976 6,000 rupees per unit. Electrification rate of 1976 have been given as 5,700 rupees per unit, and the building is provided with marble flooring. This is also a fact which is given in the question. So cost index in 1989 at Nagpur has been given as 394. Building cost 1976 year has been given as 385 rupees per square meter. Cost index in 1976 at Delhi has been given as 100. Marble cost for year 1989 has been given as 250 rupees per square meter, and mosaic tile cost in year 1989 has been given as rupees 60 per square meter. So now land value in year 1989 is nothing but equal to land area and land rates in 1989. So this will give answer to the first question number 1, and both these data have been given in the question. So straightforward we can calculate land value in 1989, which is equal to 1200 square meter is the land area multiplied by 800 rupees per square meter is the land rate which is given in the question. So total land value in 1989 is 9.60 lakhs. So this is answer to question number 1. Now to calculate cost of the building in 1976, first we have to calculate this. So built up area has been given in the question, and built up cost, building cost in 1976 has been given. So in addition to that, plumbing and electrification cost we have to add into it. So built up area is equal to 400 square meter, ground 200, first floor 100 and second floor again 100 square meter. and then 385 rupees per square meter is the building cost, built up area cost, which has been given in the question in the year of 1976. So this will give us the total value of building excluding electrification and plumbing. So now since there are 3 floors, so per unit we have to pay 6,000 rupees of plumbing cost for 1 unit. So that means 6,000 multiplied by 3. So 18,000 is the cost of plumbing for all 3 floors. Likewise, electrification cost is 5,700 rupees per unit or per floor. So that means since there are 3 floors, so total put together 17,100 will be the plumbing cost, electrification cost for the building. So total cost of the building in 1976 arrives to be 1.54 lakh plus 18,000 plus 17,100. That gives us the value of 1.89 lakhs. Replacement cost of the building, it is nothing but replacement cost of the building in 1976, and it is equal to 1.86 lakh, right? So now from this value we can calculate replacement cost of the building at Nagpur using CII cost index, which has been given for Delhi and Nagpur. So replacement cost new of Delhi in 1976 was 1.89 lakh multiplied by cost index for Nagpur in 1989, which has been given in the question, is equal to 394, and cost index for Delhi in 1976 has also been given. So this value is for 1976 for Delhi, so we have divided this value by 100, and if we multiply it with cost index for 1989 for Nagpur location, so that will give us the value of the building for Nagpur location in 1989. Now this basically since CI includes basic mosaic floor in cost and the building has marble floor, we have to make certain adjustments. So cost index doesn't include marble flooring, so we have to remember this thing. In cost index or costing considered in cost index, it includes only a basic mosaic flooring. So but in this particular building, instead of mosaic flooring, marble flooring has been used. So since there is additional cost incurred on the building, so we have to add certain incremental cost on account of marble flooring instead of mosaic flooring. So additional cost for marble flooring will be nothing but equal to marble cost minus mosaic flooring. This is the incremental cost of marble flooring. So instead of mosaic flooring, if I go for marble flooring, so that means I have to pay extra 190 rupees per square meter. 250 rupees per square meter is the cost of marble flooring, and 60 rupees is the cost of mosaic flooring. So instead of mosaic flooring, if I want to do marble flooring, I have to pay 190 rupees per square meter extra cost. So since we put marble flooring only on the carpet area, so built up area is not the area wherein we use marble flooring throughout the area. So carpet area has been given in the question, which is equal to 340 square meter, right? So we multiply this incremental cost with carpet area, that will give us the additional cost of doing marble flooring in the building, and it is nothing but equal to 65,000 rupees. So thus the replacement cost of the building with marble flooring is equal to replacement cost of the building with mosaic flooring, which we calculated in the last slide, and additional cost for marble flooring, which is this. So 7.45 plus 0.65 is the total cost of the building considering marble flooring into it. So this is answer to question number 2 of this particular case study. Next, percentage depreciation we have to calculate using straight line method. It is a very simple formula. We have multiple times we have seen this formula in previous sessions. So it is nothing but 100 plus minus 100 percentage minus salvage percentage multiplied by age divided by 100. So this is a formula. Derivation we have discussed multiple times in previous sessions. So 100 minus 10% salvage is given, so multiply by 20 years divided by total life of the building, 60 years. All these data has been given, so we can simply calculate 30% is the answer to question number 3 of this case study. So once we will calculate this 30% of depreciation, and we have also calculated the replacement cost of this building, so we can easily calculate depreciation amount of the building, which is nothing but equal to RCN 1989 multiplied by percentage depreciation. It is equal to 8.10 lakh, which we calculated in the last slide, and 30% we have calculated here. So 30% of 8.10 lakh is nothing but depreciation amount of the building, depreciation value of the building. So 2.43 lakh is the answer to question number 4 of the particular case. Next we have to calculate depreciated value. So depreciation value and depreciated value, this difference we have discussed multiple times in previous sessions. Again we are seeing same little bit confusion in the two words. So please be remembered, there is a difference between depreciation value and depreciated value. So depreciated value is equal to nothing but replacement cost RCN 1989 minus depreciation value. So total value of the building minus depreciation value, it will give us the depreciated value of the building. So 8.10 lakh is the total value of the building, RCN of the building, and depreciation amount or depreciation value we have calculated here. So depreciated value of the building is nothing but 5.67 lakhs. Total value of the property is equal to land value plus building value, depreciated replacement cost of the building in 1989. So land value we had calculated in second last slide, which is nothing but equal to 9.60 lakh plus 5.67 lakh is the depreciated replacement cost of the building in year 1989 at Nagpur. It is 5.67. Total value of the property is 15.27 lakhs. This is all in today's session. Thank you very much. So if you have not subscribed to the channel till now, please subscribe to the channel and click on bell icon so that you will be notified about upcoming sessions. So in next session or next playlist, we are going to start a very interesting and very important topic related to various laws related to real estate. So in next session, we are going to start our chapter on Land Acquisition Act, and then followed by we will also discuss other laws related to real estate like Rent Control Act, Right of Way, salient features of RERA, and this Transfer of Property Act. We will discuss this act in very detail. Maybe we would take 2-3 sessions on this chapter. It is a lengthy chapter and a number of questions may come out of it. And this land acquisition is also very important because theory may come out of it, and a numerical 12 marks case study may also come under land acquisition. But under Transfer Property Act, you will for sure get at least 4 to 5 marks of theory out of it. So and this laws related to inheritance and succession, 1 or 2 marks of theory may also come out of it. Thank you very much.